Hello friends, today I am making another Andhra recipe. It's called Mamidikaya Pappu. Mamidikaya means raw mango and Pappu is thick dal in Telugu. So in Andhra, Pappu is made with many variations. Today we are making raw mango, but even sometimes you can add greens like methi leaves, gongura leaves, or even fresh tamarind leaves, spinach. Lot of things can be added to this Pappu, and every day you can have a different flavor. So today let's go and make Mamidikaya Pappu. Ingredients for mango dal. I have soaked 1 cup of Toor dal for 2 to 3 hours. 1 mango peeled and cut into pieces. You can even grate it. Salt to taste. Tempering ingredients: 1 teaspoon each of mustard seeds, cumin seeds and dry red chilli. 2 tablespoons of oil. Handful of coriander leaves. 1 sprig of curry leaves, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic crushed lightly, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 pinches of Asafoetida. Now take a pressure cooker, add the soaked dal into it. Add 2 green chillies, which I forgot to mention in the list. Add the mango. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder. And 2 cups of water. Stir everything together. Mix it well with a spoon and close the cooker. Cook for 3 whistles. Allow the cooker to cool, remove the pressure and then open it. Dal is perfectly cooked. You don't have to mash this dal too much. Just give it a stir with the spoon. Mash it lightly with the back of the spoon. Now we are going to add the tempering. Check the salt before that. Add if anything is needed. But I think the salt is perfect. Now place a small pan for the tempering. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the Asafoetida first. When it gives out a nice aroma, add the tempering ingredients: the mustard seeds, cumin seeds and the broken red chillies. Make the flames slow, and once the seeds start to crackle, add the crushed garlic. Fry the garlic well to a light brown color. Now dip in the curry leaves and switch off the gas. The tempering is ready to be mixed. Add it to the prepared dal. Save little bit for the garnish. This consistency of dal is just perfect if you are serving right away. If you are keeping it for some time, you can dilute it a little bit because it thickens on keeping. Finally, add some coriander leaves. Give it a mix and dal is ready to be served. Take a serving dish. Transfer dal into it. Add the remaining tempering on top. Garnish with a little bit of coriander leaves and your Mamidikaya Pappu is ready to be served. I hope you liked the recipe. Nice, tangy and delicious pappu. You must give it a try. You can even try with other variations adding the greens.